Hello, I'm Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Last video, I show you how MVVME and now I'm going to show you the way we record with this button. Let's start. Today, we will make UI for this screen. Right-click on where the artwork is attention and then choose New Group. Then change the folder name to View. You move the content view .script to the View folder. Press on Resend button to check the result. You see, it's still working, right? From now on, let's create UI screen in the View folder. Right-click on where the artwork is attention and choose New Group to create a new folder. Let me continue. I'm going to create a view model folders. And then I will create models folders. And the last one, I will create the service folder. In the view folders, right click and choose a new file. This is the UI screen, so you have to select the SwiftUI to create the weather view. Go ahead, change the text to weather view detail and hit the Resend button to see the result. Now, go back to the content view and change the text to the weather view screen. Boom! You see, the preview panel already changed to the new content. Okay, the question here, why I write the code at the weather view rather than content view? Let's say in the future, you want to change your mouse. You want to change to another screen, so how? The first option is changing too many lines of code in the content view screen. The second option is changing the weather view screen to another screen. To me, the second one is better. Now let's build this screen. I will share with you the flat image. You just drag it into the assets folder. Next, we will go back to weatherview.script and start coding. There are the thing called stack. And you can do either stack things vertically or horizontally. Press on command and click on text. Type VStack. VStack is the vertical stack. I separated to two parts. You see, when I refresh, it listed in the column. Let me change to hashtag. You see, now it turned to the row. Let me change back to VStack. I will add the text 30 degree. I will change the text to 30 degree. The text 30 degree too small, so I want to change the font. So to change the font, you say dot font, then dot system size 30. Okay, now the text bigger. I want to cover degree in hashtag. Take a look at UI. You see, I need one more row to display the country name and the flag. I will use one more hashtag and then I define one text. Inside I will type Singapore. Then I will change the size for Singapore to 16. Then I will add the image to lock the Singapore flag. This image too big. So we need to resize it. We are going to do dot resizable and then dot frame and set the width and height for this image. Set the width city and the height city. Now look at the UI. The text 33 should be going to the top, right? So how can we do it? We can achieve that by using spacer. So you know, when you use spacer, it will talk all those elements that, hey, I'm going to take up as much space as I possibly can. I continue on spacer there, then add spacer at the degree. Okay, cool. Yeah, now it's much better. Take a look at UI. See what we're still missing here. We need to have a navigation link. And with this link, we have to specify when someone tap on the listing, it will bring the user to the listing country screen. Go ahead and add another hashtag. Then add a navigation link. Define a destination, and you know what we want to put here is where it is that we want to go. For the destination, I will add the country list view. That means country list view is the screen I want to go. Go ahead and check the errors. It says unresolved identifier country list view. Yep, it's because we haven't created the last screen. Go to the view folder, right click and create a new UI file with the name is the country list view. We are building a view screen, so don't forget to script UI view. Then I change the content for this screen is country list view. Go back to the content view. Now you see still have one error. Missing a woman for the parameter. Oh yeah, I'm missing a text, so I'm going to add the text a listing. Let's open the canvas to preview. Sometimes I scroll quickly, so go ahead, click on try again. Now we need to testing. You try click on listing, it will bring you to country list view. Then try to go back. Yes. Go ahead to make the country and the flag to be dynamic data. I'm going to show you how we define the model. Go to the model folder, create the file, country. Remember, select the Swift file, not SwiftUI. To define the model, we will use the struct. We need to have a name with the data type is string and the flag is a string. I will declare a country variable with the type country at this string. Now you see another arrow in weather view preview. The reason is if you define a country in the code, you need to declare a country value for the preview also. Okay, cool. No more errors. Let's click the prism button to see the result. Now you see, still have one more error. This error because you define in weather view that this screen needs country data, but at the content view screen, you haven't sent it the data. I'm going to declare current country with the data type is country. Hit the resume button. You see now no more the errors. Okay. I'm going to change the static text to the variable to render the country name. You do like this, country.name, and change the flag to country.flag. I jump to content view and change the country to Taiwan and the flag to Taiwan. Hit the resume button. Boom. Yeah, you see, now the country changed to Taiwan. Let's run the simulator to recheck the result. Yeah, you can see the UI run on simulator now. Try click on listing. Yeah, it brings you to country list view. Yeah, look great. Finished for today. Tomorrow I will show you how we can get the data from survey by calling Open Weather API. We will try call the guest API in service folder. And then, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you.